Mercat de les Flors, as a dance house, is trying this year to make a kind of history of dance with its season. During the season, we will try to construct, we'll try to explain different possible histories of dance, and we will do it through different issues. The first one, number one, is big names, big choreographers. We have invited to Mercat important choreographers that have a real line, have a very special voice in the history of dance, so big choreographers. Secondly, we have invited young people, young choreographers, new names, new energies, new impulses. So people who are at the moment really finding different new directions. And third place, we have invited to our season, the season of the history of dance, people who have taken the voice of these big choreographers and are trying to do something new. So a kind of memory, looking back. Big choreographers, big names, important choreographers, new names, and third place, people who are looking back and taking these new directions with them. This is a very special year. It's the year of the 100th anniversary of Ballet Russe, and we presented together with Southern Wells in London a co-production of Ballet Russe based on the choreographies of Sidilar Cherkaoui, Wayne McGregor, Russell Malifan and Javier de Frutos, a very interesting project. Choreographers from Spain. At Mercat this season we have very good projects, We're very proud of presenting again the project of the choreographer Sol Picot, was very successful last season, and there she comes again. Jordi Cortés, you know, because he worked a lot with TV8 and with other companies. Jordi will present his new work. Gustavo Ramirez, he made choreographies for companies such as Netherlands NDT2 or Compañía Nacional de Danza, and he's presenting his own project. Or Proyecto Galilei with Pablo Ley that present also a new production. Cobos Mica, and this is a company that will present a work together with Russell Malifan, for example, and Compañía Contemporánea de Cuba, they present the work of Matzek and the Spanish Rafael Bonachela. There will be also flamenco or dance with roots, for example with Andrés Marín, a new project of flamenco with the visual artist Llorenç Barber. And also other companies like Lemmy Bonifacio from New Zealand, Shantala, next dancer or dancer of Pina Bausch, also with the choreography by Amagatsu, and Easola coming from Vietnam. So also the geography, all the world will be present in our season. New energies, for example, a co-production with Baró de Bell, a company, a circus company led by the Spanish artist Blai Mateu. Les Eslovacs Dance Company, this will be a co-production with CAE Theatre in Brussels. And Toujours après minuit, a co-production with Théâtre de la Ville in Paris that will be also presented at Les Abbesses and at Mercat in the month of March. The company Cafik, this is a production we saw in La Biennale in Lyon and will be presented at Mercat during the month of April. Our family season has different companies. For example, Tap Dance will be present during our Christmas time with the company Tape Plus from Barcelona, and other companies on our project Dan Dan Dansa. For example, from Oslo, Norway, Cécile Bertrand de Lis. Also from Italy, TPO, a company based with a project based on butterflies. And from Spain, a co-production with a choreographer, well-known choreographer, Ramon Oller, and based on Le Petit Prince, the Little Prince, the tale of Saint-Exupéry. This will be a co-production that will be presented in the month of March. And finally, our family program has its end in the month of May with the French company Les Colporteurs, who have a program, a production in a circus tent that will be here in a square in front of Mercat, based on Le Fil sous la neige, a choreography very interesting for the whole family. So, program for everybody at Mercat next season, the season of history of dance.